Hello everyone. In this video we will see an exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this particular exercise is how to provide numbering by using the multi-row formula tool in case of this Alteryx. So for this purpose we will take an help from our previous exercise where we have removed the null fields and we have represented it by the state. So whatever fields are null, but in case of Alteryx when you are taking the data, so the merge field will be having some null fields. So if we are going to merge in case of Excel, but it is going to represent by null in case of Alteryx. So we'll copy this particular data. We'll press Ctrl C, go to the new workflow, and press Ctrl V. I'll select this again, Ctrl C, go to the new workflow, so right click and you can click on paste also. So it will get pasted over here. So I'll go to this preparation tab. Over here we can see this multi-row formula tool. I'll bring this in the canvas and connect it with the multi-row formula tool once again. So I will now have two types of multi-row formula. So for this multi-row formula tool, we have to apply the numbering. So what we have to do is we have to provide the numbering. So I'll click on create new field and type here record number. I'll click on state, then I'll go to this row -1. So over here you can see that a new field which we have create new field named as record number. I click on this row -1 record number and type over here in the expressions window row -1 record number bracket plus 1. So I'll just go to this run button and click on run. So whatever will be the fields are there, so it will be providing numbering over here. So you can see that Ohio, so how many times Ohio is there and how many fields are there. So 6 fields are for Ohio. So the record number I have taken, I have created a new field, so it is being 6 numbers. Then similarly for Texas, it is also 7 in numbers. How many records are for Texas and Washington. So if I click on the output anchor, so these are likewise, there are no record numbers. How many records are of Texas? If you want to know, just use the multi-row formula tool once again, so we can know it easily. So Ohio is having 6 records, Texas is having 7, and Washington is having 5. So likewise we can do this. But when we are taking this data, when we have inputted this data, at that time we have this null because in Excel this is merged, as I have shown you the data previously. So this is merged in case of Excel. This is merged. So that's why it is showing now over here. So that's why we are having this. So we have represent this null fields by texts. I'll click on output anchor. So we will be represented by texts. Now I'll click on this output anchor. So record number is also yes. So I hope you have understood this unit of numbering, how to provide the numbering by using multi-row formula. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.